In a world where e-commerce is king, two platforms stand out: Shopify and Tiendanube. Shopify, a Canadian-based e-commerce giant, was founded in 2006 to help businesses create their own online stores, hassle-free. It's a name synonymous with e-commerce, serving over 1 million businesses worldwide. On the other hand, we have Tiendanube, a vibrant platform hailing from Argentina. Born in 2010, it's been a game-changer for small and medium-sized businesses across Latin America, offering a simple and affordable way to set up online stores. These two platforms, each with their unique strengths and origins, have made significant strides in the e-commerce world, making online selling a breeze for businesses of all sizes. They've transformed the way we buy and sell, reaffirming the power of e-commerce in today's digital age. Now that we have a basic understanding of both platforms, let's dive deeper into Shopify. Shopify, a titan in the e-commerce world, boasts impressive statistics. Let's delve into the numbers that make Shopify a powerhouse. Picture this: over 1 million businesses globally have chosen Shopify as their e-commerce platform. That's right, over 1 million dreams and ideas transformed into tangible businesses. But the impact doesn't stop there. Collectively, these businesses have generated over $200 billion in revenue. That's billion with a B, my friends. A testament to the true potential of online commerce. And if you're wondering about the global reach, Shopify isn't limited by geography. It's used by entrepreneurs and businesses in over 175 countries. That's nearly every corner of the globe. From Canada to Cambodia, Brazil to Bhutan, Shopify is fueling dreams and driving commerce. These numbers demonstrate the vast reach of Shopify, but how does Tiendanube compare? Let's find out. While Shopify is a global powerhouse, Tiendanube holds its own in the Latin American market. Let's take a deeper dive into what makes Tiendanube stand out. At its core, Tiendanube is designed to cater to the needs of businesses aiming to penetrate the Latin American market. It's more than just a platform. It's a tool that empowers businesses to thrive in a competitive arena. One of the key features of Tiendanube is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be as straightforward as possible, allowing businesses of all sizes to set up their online store with ease. From product listings to payment gateways, every element is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. But simplicity doesn't mean a lack of customization. Tiendanube offers a plethora of customizable options to businesses. From the look and feel of your online storefront to the way your products are displayed, Tiendanube gives you the reins to create a unique shopping experience for your customers. Tiendanube offers a formidable alternative to Shopify, especially for businesses targeting Latin American consumers. Now that we understand both platforms, we can make a meaningful comparison. Shopify, with its vast array of features, is a powerhouse in the e-commerce space. It boasts a user-friendly interface, extensive reach, and a target audience that spans small businesses to multinational corporations. On the other hand, Tiendanube, while not as globally recognized, offers an equally robust set of tools. It shines in its simplicity and ease of use, making it a favorite among less tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Its target audience is primarily Latin American businesses, giving it a unique niche in the market. In comparing these two, it's clear that both platforms have their strengths. Shopify might be the choice for a business looking for extensive features and global reach. Meanwhile, a business targeting the Latin American market might find more value in Tiendanube's localized approach. Whether you choose Shopify or Tiendanube, both platforms offer valuable tools to succeed in the e-commerce world. The choice, in the end, depends on your business's specific needs and target market.